Alright guys, I'm going to give you a little unboxing tour of this S&B silicone body mount kit. This is for my 2009 F350. This is part number 81-1003. One part number fits 08 to 2016 Super Duties. This is the crew cab kit. They have different part numbers depending on your cab length because you'll have a different number of cab mounts. I just wanted to show you guys what you get in the box here. Open her up. Of course, they send you a sticker. You know you're going to have one of those. Nice instruction sheet. Bag of hardware. Looks to be Ford OEM hardware. Same basic look as a Ford. If it's not an actual Ford bolt, it has the red Loctite on it, so these will never ever come out unless you hit them with a torch, just like the factory ones, which is a huge pain in the butt. But you don't want these things falling out. That would be bad. But that's great that they give you new hardware because it's one-time use only on the factory stuff. And of course you get your 8 body mounts. Again, I said this is a crew cab. You'll have a different number of mounts depending on the length of the cab. But what makes these special versus the factory ones, you've seen the factory cab mounts on these newer trucks. They have a polyurethane bushing. S&B uses a silicone rubber. The polyurethane ones just completely crumble over time, and it's not even based really on use or abuse or exposure to road salt or anything like that. It's just time they'll fall apart. So why would you put the factory Ford ones back in it when you can get these from S&B? S&B really went above and beyond on these things too. Not only is the bushing material a whole lot better, but the actual design of the mount itself is better. You get this plastic cup that fits against the body of the truck, between the body and the mount. So imagine the bottom of the cab is going to be right here. This will help isolate metal on metal contact. That way you don't get squeaks if you go over bumps and things like that. Sometimes you'll notice on these Super Duty trucks you'll get some squeaks and whatnot going over like railroad tracks. And it's literally the cab rubbing back and forth on the factory metal mount. So they give you a cup, goes on that. You got the top bushing here. Again, this is a silicone rubber, not a crappy polyurethane foam. And on the bottom of that, you'll get this isolator that fits down in the cutout on the frame, and it will keep this from spinning in place. Basically holds it in place well. And you get another isolator that goes on the bottom of the mount. This is a silicone isolator. Again, just to keep noise, vibration, harshness, all that out of the cab of the truck. The bottom mount has a rubber O-ring in it. And of course, you're going to take this little separator out when you're installing it. The bottom has a little rubber O-ring, and that is basically just to hold everything together while you are putting it in on the truck. That way you don't have to have somebody just hold it all up here for you. It kind of gives it a little stiction and it'll hold for a few seconds. Got your bottom mount, of course, and it actually sandwiches up there like that, and you should never have a problem with your cab mounts again. These are like a set it and forget it type deal. We're going to install them, but that'll be another video. You can check out the link in the description. I'll put it down there for you, and head over to svtperformance.com for a full review on these S&B cab mounts.